in case Kiki 67 here, I want to show you something. We'll need a lighter and a part of a pen. It's hollow with a little thing in the end. Alright, first, show you this end doesn't light that easy. Alright, now watch this. Go off camera here for a second. Alright, here we go. See some fire in there? Did they get it? Alright, watch.
Try it one more time, peoples.
Here, you watch my hands. Now watch.
See the blue? That was actually a flame. So, yeah.
And then watch. We'll improve this by, look, see? No flame. No flame. See? Now watch.
You just hold the button down.
Never mind, that was a fake flame. And then,
See? Fire.
and then we try this one more time.
Oh, see? There it went again.
Alright, that's it.
That's
Bye.
it. Bye.